Dad, come on!
Over here? Or sa ano?
Why?
Ganda ng mga parol.
I like your fireplace. It's very warm.
Do like
It
this.
doesn't cost anything at all.
Do like that. Do like that. Samantha, fed it.
Galing ng ano niya, ng bahay.
Yung spike niya dito, very soft. Hindi siya,
Belly is very soft.
mas softer pa yung
It used to
belly.
be this size till Kevin fed him.
Yung dito niya, very soft. Soft. Wee! Tika, tika,
On his
tika.
belly. I think it's eight,
Bobby!
Marunong na siya
Ano ka
eh.
na, bibili na siya niyan, Leo. Kasi marunong na siya. Na-try niya na.
Mabilis
bibili
nga
na
siya matuto eh. Oh. Oh.
Ah,
Is it worth the $800?
Cost nothing.
ganyan lang siya.
He cost nothing. We got him from a
I'll go to work. I'll go to work next week. I'll be like this.
bird.
I'll be at work.
Hello.
Hello, how can I help you?
Mabilis na yung parang
200.
once na nilipad mo tatakbo. Ayun siya.
I'll put this on our
Kayla,
year.
can you take us picture? You don't want
Make
picture?
sure